Okay, good afternoon, ladies. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting this afternoon will be the installation of that small solar panels here. And I would like to utilize the power output of that solar panel to operate my assembled AM/FM radios here in the gazebo. Okay, let's go inside. I just made the connection a while ago. These are my tools. Okay. The line from the small solar panel is this one here, the white one that came from outside. And the two terminals are actually this one here. That's the positive terminal. I place a zip tie of red here indicating that this is the positive terminal. And this is the negative terminal, the pure black one without any zip tie. A while ago, I measured the voltage of this one from the voltage coming from the solar panel. It's around 6.64 volts. Okay. And I now would like to operate this AM radio here by using the power coming from the small solar panel. No battery. Whatever the output of the solar panel, it will be coming out here, and I will be utilizing that one to power up my AM radio. This AM radio here, the power requirement of this one is actually 9-volt battery. That's a battery. But if we are using a power from the solar panel, I will be utilizing the output coming from these two lines here. It's only 6.64, but it could operate this 9-volt AM radio. Okay? It could operate. Okay, I will try to lay down my cell phone. I would like to show you the voltage. Hold on, guys. I am connecting the I just connected the battery. No, the hold on. Hold on. I might drop my cell phone. Okay. Hold on, guys. So this is it now. Oh, that's the voltage coming from the solar panel. And I will be utilizing this one to operate my AM assembled radio. Okay, I will lay down again my cell phone. I'm using my cell phone to make the connection here. Or recording the video. Hold on, guys. I am now connecting the two terminals. Okay, I am back here, guys. So I reconnected the plus terminal to the positive terminal of the AM radio. I just have shown you the voltage a while ago. It's 6.64. And I will now be connecting this one to the negative terminal. And as you can see it, the AM radio is now operating with the voltage across this of 6.64, utilizing the voltage coming from the small solar panels without any battery. Okay, I will remove the negative terminal. The radio is off. I will connect the negative terminal. the radio is on again. So that's a great power saving because as long as the sun, I could operate my AM radio. Okay, yeah, just utilizing 6.64 volts, in which the voltage requirement is supposed to be 9 volts. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. That's my discussion for this afternoon. I utilize the voltage output from the small solar panel to operate my assembled AM radio without any battery in between. What is being used here is just the voltage coming from the small solar panel. Whatever the voltage there, will be utilizing it here, and my AM radio operates with great accuracy or precision because the sound is very good and there was no interference. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Rios.